Service Tire Truck Center's commercial-grade wheel reconditioning is a multi-step service that thoroughly cleans, pre-treats, and restores your steel wheels using today's most advanced automation and quality standards. Our process uniquely combines iron phosphate pretreatment with nitrogen-enhanced powder application and robotic automation, improving safety, performance, and long-term durability on the road. Every wheel is tagged and recorded. High-energy shot blasting removes old paint, rust, corrosion, and debris, exposing a clean, textured metal surface for ideal powder adhesion. This step is critical as it reveals any structural issues such as cracks, excessive rust, bead seat wear, or bolt hole distortion. Wheels that do not meet our structural safety standards are removed from service and documented as non-serviceable. Each wheel is then fully submerged in an iron phosphate bath. This protective treatment increases the wheel's resistance to corrosive elements, which all lead to early rusting, especially in the liquid calcium de-icing agents used on many roadways. STTC processes the wheels through a dry-off oven, ensuring all wheel surfaces are 100% ready for the powder application. This also warms the wheel for improved dry powder adhesion. To eliminate human error and guarantee repeatable results, STTC uses a state-of-the-art automated robot powder coating system to apply electrostatically charged powdered paint. Our robots capture the movement of an expert painter and reproduces their technique with perfect consistency on every wheel. This ensures proper paint thickness on the mating surface, an accurate, even coat, and improved rim appearance and durability. STTC offers 2 standard colors and can match your custom color option, allowing fleets to choose finishes that best match their branding needs. This controlled, uniform application helps ensure proper fitment, torque retention, and long-term performance. Furthermore, STTC replaced standard compression air spray coating with polyfluid nitrogen technology. Polyfluid eliminates moisture, stabilizes temperatures, and improves electrostatic performance regardless of the ambient temperature humidity. The result? Cleaner, more consistent applications, better coverage around edges, corners, and profiles, and a smoother, more uniform finish. This creates ideal conditions for a high-quality powder coating every time. After spray coating, your wheels enter a gas-heated, temperature-controlled curing oven. The powder is baked into the wheel for a durable, long-lasting finish. Proper cure time ensures the powder coating will bond correctly. Once completed and cooled, every wheel goes through a final multi-point inspection. In addition, to make sure everything is working properly, we perform an MEK cure test on a daily basis. STTC's inspection label is our validation of unmatched quality and accountability. With automation, nitrogen-enhanced coating, and rigorous inspection standards, Service Tire Truck Centers delivers the industry's most consistent and reliable wheel reconditioning process. The result? Long-term durability on the road.